Slide and lift the solid-state drive off of the SSD slot on the system board. You have successfully removed the M.2 2230 solid-state drive from the SSD slot. If you are replacing an M.2 2230 solid-state drive with M.2 2280 solid-state drive, the solid-state drive screw mount must be shifted to fit the M.2 2280 solid-state drive. Now let's remove the solid-state drive screw mount from the M.2 2230 screw mount hole. Unscrew the screw mount from the system board. Replace the screw mount in the M.2 2280 screw mount hole and tighten the screw mount in the SSD slot on the system board. You have moved the solid-state drive screw mount successfully.